Hey YouTube, what's up y'all? It's your boy Jay Munchie. That's me, you know what I'm saying? I'm back with another reaction video. Dobro došli, Mirjana Ivanović. Hey, dobro došli moje braći i sestre. Kako ste danas? Kak ti? Hey, how y'all guys doing? You know what I'm saying? Y'all watching Serbian Munchie TV. And this is the Rose Bosch family, you know what I'm saying? Rose Bosch, Serbistana, you know what I'm saying? But today we're going to be checking out a song from Mirjana Ivanović. The song's called Višnjičica. Višnjičica. Okay. Rodila. Okay. Višnjičica rodila. Okay. Rodila. So with no further ado, let's get straight to this video. You know what I'm saying? This live performance from these songs. Rose Bosch. Hey. The mom. This got like an old classical sound to it. Okay. I like the little stage setup. Okay. I like his vest. His vest nice. Okay, so she just sung the title of the song. Hey. Beautiful. Let us see. So pleasant, very pleasant. She's just so relaxed. I like it. And she got such a beautiful voice. Hey.
Tra como quieta, te pierdo barreta. Bloco de largo da punta 40. Bate bala de quaresma. De meia tipo podrendo.